Yes, first of all, we are going to see how to draw a break-even chart. We know what are the information that we need to prepare a break-even chart. We have to calculate total revenue at 3 different levels of output, total cost at 3 different levels of output. We have to calculate break-even units, break-even revenue. Then we can draw a break-even chart accurately. So if you are given a question, you just have to divide the units produced given into 3 different parts. Then you calculate total cost for each unit, total revenue for each unit. Then you calculate the break-even units, break-even revenue, and then you can draw the break-even chart without any problem. So now we are going to see this question. We have selling price 200, direct materials 30, direct labor 20, fixed overhead $300,000, units produced 5,000, required break-even charge. So these, first we have to calculate total revenue at 3 different levels of output, total cost at 3 different levels of output, break-even units, and break-even revenue. So first we are going to calculate total revenue at 3 different levels of output. So the units given is 5,000 units. So we divide it into 3 parts. We have 5,000 units, 3,000 units, and 1,000 units, or 2,000 units. So we divide into 3 parts. Now we are going to calculate total revenue. Total revenue is equal to selling price times units. So we replace for 5,000 units. We are going to calculate first for 5,000 units. We are going to calculate the total revenue. Therefore, selling price descend fois 5,000, ça nous donne 100,000. So we get the total revenue for 5,000 units. And then we calculate total revenue for 3,000 units. For 3,000 units, it will be descend fois 3,000. This will equal to This will equal to 600,000. This one indeed, 3, 4, 5, 600, 6 millions. This one, $600,000. And then we calculate for 2,000 units. For 2,000 units, it will be 200 times 2,000. This will give us 400,000. So here we have the total revenue at 3 different levels of output. When output is 5,000, so 1 million, this is the revenue, and then 600,000, and then 400,000. So when we can copy it neatly, total revenue, when this will be 1 million, then total revenue, this is the units, and then when 3,000, this is 600,000, and 400,000. So we get the total revenue at 3 different levels of output. So here we are, the total revenue for 3 different levels of output. Now we are going to calculate total revenue, total cost at 3 different levels of output. So total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. So same, total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. So we are going to calculate for 5,000 units again. What is the total cost for 5,000 units? So fixed cost on 300,000 plus variable cost 50 per 5,000. Okay, this will give us 300,000 plus 250,000. Et ça fait 550,000. This is the total cost of 5,000 units. Then total cost for 3,000 units. 300,000 plus 50 par 3,000, ça nous donne 450,000. And then for 2000 units, this will be 3000, 300 000 plus 2000 fois 50, so this one 400 000. Then we replace, we can copy it neatly again. Total cost when 5000 units, total cost combien? 550, and then total cost 450 000, and then total cost 400 000. So here we are. We have already calculated total revenue at 3 different levels of output, total cost at 3 different levels of output. Then we calculate, so we need all the ingredients first in order to prepare the break-even chart. So these the two ingredients, total revenue and total cost, we have already calculated. Now we are going to calculate break-even units. Break-even units. So break-even units, fixed cost over contribution per unit. So what is fixed cost? 300 000. Contribution per unit, selling price less variable cost, 200, retire 30, retire 20. Donc 150, ça nous donne 2000 units. So break-even units, 2000. We can calculate break-even revenue. Break-even units times selling price. So we replace break-even units 2000 times selling price 200. Ça nous donne 400 000. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 400 000. So total revenue, break-even revenue, 400 000. So now with this information, we can prepare we can go the break-even chart. So we have information about total revenue, total cost, break-even units, and break-even revenue. So this information will have to be reflected on your graph paper. But for the time being, we don't have a graph paper. We will try to do it roughly on the whiteboard. Then you can draw it in your graph paper when you are doing it again. Okay? So here we are. So what we have to do, it will be, okay, then we have the fixed cost line will be a horizontal straight line, fixed cost, this is $300,000 fixed cost. So we have to see the maximum amount. We have 1 million, which is the greatest compared to total cost. So here we must have 1 million. 300 000, 300 600, 900, 1 million 200. 300 000, this one 600 000. We add 300 000 for 2. Then we get 1 million 200, approximately. So this is cost and revenue. Okay. So this is, you can put any figure, but it should not, it should be within the range 1 million. And then here we have the units. We have 1, 2, 3 units. 0, 2000, 3000, and 5000 units. So this is the units. It will be something like this. You will have your, and then you have to plot the point. When output is 5000 units, we take revenue. When output is 5000 units, what is the total revenue? 1 million, approximately, somewhere here. Approximately, it will be somewhere here. Okay, and then when output is 3000 units, total revenue 600 000, 600 000, approximately. And then when 2000, 400 000, 2000, this is 400 000, approximately somewhere here. So we'll have the break even, we have the 2400. So here we are, this is a total revenue line, total cost. When output is 5000, total cost 550, 5550, approximately somewhere here, and then 3450 450 somewhere here, and then 2400. So this is a total cost. So this is the total cost. This is the total cost. We are going to do the total revenue line again. 5000 and million. 2400 000. 2400 2000, it will be 400 somewhere here. Okay, là? And then 3600 somewhere here. And then 5400. So normally this will be the total revenue line will start somewhere here from the point of origin. So break-even units 400,000, approximately 400,000, 4000 it will be. What is the break-even point? 2000, therefore it will be something like this. This one, it will be here. 2000, it should reflect the 2000 and then 400,000. This is the point of break-even point. Okay, you can do it accurately on graph. Okay, roughly I'm doing it here. 2000 units, the break-even units, and then 400,000, approximately somewhere here, the revenue. Okay, this one will represent the loss area, and this one will represent the profit area. You know, and then we have the maximum. You can do a line here, 5,000. So the difference between the break-even point, this is called the margin of safety units. The difference between the break-even point, and actual sales. The difference, actual sales, actual units. So the difference will represent margin of safety in terms of units. Here margin of safety in terms of units, and then this one will represent total cost less fixed cost. This one will represent variable costs. Okay, so here we are concerning how to do a break-even chart. We can do it accurately by using graph paper. So we have tried so far to reflect it on whiteboard, but using graph you will get it accurately, you will get the point, because for this it is a bit difficult to do it accurately on whiteboard. So here we are concerning break-even chart. So to prepare a break-even chart, we need information on total cost at 3 different levels of output. We need information on total revenue at different levels of output. Then we have to calculate break-even units and break-even revenue. So here we are concerning this topic. We will back again to see it on graph paper next time. Thank you very much.